Hello friends, welcome to Namaste English. Friends, today we have brought very interesting story. The greedy dog. Friends, once there was a dog lived in the village. One day the dog was very hungry. So he searched for food everywhere but did not find anything to eat. After searching so much, at last he found a bone. The bone looked delicious. So the dog picked the bone with his mouth and he started going back to his home. While going to home, the dog reached a bridge. When the dog was crossing it, the dog saw his own reflection in the water. The dog thought that there was another dog with the bone in water. He wanted to get that other bone too. So he started barking at his own reflection. As soon as he opened his mouth, his bone fell in the water. The greedy dog lost his bone in the water. The dog remained hungry that night because of his own greed. The moral of the story is we should not be greedy. Thank you.